Hi! In front of me is Vivo Y21S, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids and download this free app from this developer, Mad Scientist. When your app is ready, open it. If you want to mute the music right away, select bottom left corner. Now click on bottom right one. Tap on Set as Live Wallpaper and select Settings next to Apply at the bottom. Then click on I accept in First Things First pop-up and manage all of those options however you wish to. When you finished, click on the Back button and choose Apply. Lastly, pick one of those options to set up the best one for you. Set to Desktop or set to Lock Screen and Desktop. I will go with both, so when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!